Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing unboxings. We've got a few things to do. Well, we're just going to do one in this one because it's a big one. Want to see what we're doing? It's a Mickey Loot box. You already know that though because it was in the thumbnail. But it came with a friend. See? So these two, they're actually one box, but obviously it would have taken a much bigger box, so they just separated it. That's coming up right now. Alright, so let's start with the box and we'll finish with this, which I'm guessing is artwork, but you just never know. So, just like the last few that I've opened, I'm not positive which box this is. I kept switching around. You know, I always used to do B, and then I stopped doing some other boxes, so then I ramped up to, I think I had a C and a D, and I think I had an E. But, like, some of the stuff has been just incredible lately. So, we'll find out together. This could even be a B, but I don't think so. Let's find out together. Ready? Before I get into this, if you haven't joined our Facebook group, please go check it out, Disney Dynamicks. Very good group of people, and we're growing. So if you want to join in that, do that. If you want to join on Instagram, right there, same thing, Disney Dynamicks. Okay, here we go. Alright. First thing is a postcard with Pluto, Donald, Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. I'll throw that in the photo box. Boop. What's that?
Is it also known as the Fab Five?
Also known as the Fab Five. Thank you, Mary. And then the back of it, boop. Chris, here is a box sprinkled with a few things to help you get prepared for your upcoming year. All the best, Mickey Loot. Sweet. It's a big postcard. Spoiler sheet. Purple. I don't know how I'm gonna pop that.
Darn it.
Might be enough here. Nope. Can't do it. Ah! You thought you were getting away with one. Oh, that went everywhere.
You scared the dog.
Holy cow. I'm heading out of work. Out of work. I'm heading out of town to go to work again, and I'm gonna show up looking like I got pixie dusted. Alright, let us begin. Oh, it's such a cool pin. It's like, I've never seen one kind of 3D like this. It's the Disney Cruise Line. Here, let me, boop. That is awesome. So we leave, we're not going on a Disney cruise, but we're going on a MSC, I can say it, MSC cruise. And that's coming up shortly, depending on when you see this. The bottom of it even has felt on it, like you can sit it. That's cool. So yeah, so keep an eye out for lives. That's coming up. We're going to do them from the boat, Wi-Fi permitting. This is heavy. Looks like a Jim Shore, but it feels heavier than that. Let's get it out of the purple. They covered up the picture so it doesn't get spoiled. I love when they do that. So it's not... It's got the little cruise line logos. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but... So this is cruise line. It's heavy. Look at this thing. This is so heavy. It's like a bronze statue on a marble base. It's Minnie, and she's kind of dressed up in her dapper kind of outfit, you know, like 40s style with her luggage behind her, ready to go on a cruise. On the bottom, the price tag on this is $250. This thing is like so heavy and so cool. So it says, set sail on a Disney Cruise Line, limited edition 500. I will throw this on the turntable so you can boop, check that out. Holy cow. This is crazy. I wish you could feel how heavy this thing is. It's crazy. Wow, that is too cool. I cannot thank you guys enough for that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Holy cow. Alright. Sorry. Here we go. Oh. So it's a print of engine number 1. It's signed by Larry Dodson, 2021. It's called Vacation Memories. I won't read the whole thing, but I will take it out of this cover so that you can see it without it being shiny and throw it in the photo box. Boop! So I can see that, like, the print has like a copied signature, but then on the mat, it looks like pencil that he signed it. That's really cool.
Maybe it's from Parts.
Maybe it's from what?
Parts.
Oh yeah, it could be from Festival of the Arts. That's cool. Well, let's find out. Oh, so cool. Okay. Spoiler sheet. Boop. So this was an e-ticket box. Disney Cruise Line Fantasy Mini Bronze, limited edition of 500, $250. Disney Parks Vacation Memories by Larry Dodson, art print, $25. Really? That's from the parks. Vintage Disney Donald and Dewey wet paint sign, $20. And Disney Cruise Line Starry Night diorama trading pin. That pin was only $15. That's cool. I can't wait to start getting Disney Cruise Line stuff. We're gonna book on a Disney Cruise Line soon, but we just couldn't get it in this year. Wow. Okay, so e-ticket box, total value $309.99. Holy cow. This thing is so cool. All right. That's it for today. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when we're gonna be bringing a video up, because we're gonna be having some lives soon. Not only are we gonna have lives from our cruise vacation in October, but we are gonna do lives from the Disney World parks in January, and we've got some cool ideas for videos for that trip. We're gonna have a whole gaggle of us, and we've got a bunch of ideas for different things. We're gonna do a series called Versus. Lots of different, like with the new Fast Pass Lightning Lanes, as opposed to how long it takes without them, how long it takes to go on a Skyliner versus a bus, a hamburger from this place versus a hamburger from that place. You know, we're going to do a bunch of different comparisons, and those won't be the live videos. Those will be actual videos after we get home, but we will be doing a lot of lives. So, keep an eye out for that. All right. If you haven't watched the last video, click the button right here. And if you have not subscribed, you can just click this circle right here. I hope you're having a great day.